Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd quickly create this tutorial today to show you how to get Football Manager 2026 for free on all platforms. This game is available on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Steam, Nintendo Switch, all platforms. You can get FM26 for completely free using a digital game code, and this game is pretty expensive, costing around $50 US, which is quite expensive for a managerial game. So I'm going to be running through the steps showing you how to get Football Manager 26 for completely free. Before I start, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe, and yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just use your mobile phone internet browser. I recommend you do this on whatever mobile you have with an internet connection, and it makes the process a lot easier to get your digital game code. So go to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it exactly like this, coldcoupons.com. And what it's going to do, guys, it's going to bring you to this website here. And they have loads of different pages on here. You can see they have game codes for pretty much every game you can imagine. They have other things as well. So go to the search bar and just type in their Football Manager. Let's just type that in. Football Manager 2026 free game code. So find this coupon code here, guys. And this is going to get you a free digital game code, and this is available, like I said, on all platforms. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just follow through these steps here, and it's going to get you a game code that you can redeem. So for example, if you play on PlayStation, you would enter this into the PSN store, and it's going to download the game. So what you're going to want to do is unlock your game code. You can see these are limited codes, and it limits one code per person. Obviously, this prevents people from stealing like hundreds of copies of the game to sell for a profit. You can only do this once. So click on get full code, and you need to follow the instructions here. It says complete 2 of the free offers below. So these tasks on this page are completely free, and they sponsor Cold Coupons, and that's how we can get these game codes for free. So you just need to complete 2 of them and read the description, because that tells you how to complete each task. So it is pretty simple. It takes about 5 minutes, guys. I've already done this, so I'm just going to skip through it. But basically, your code will be revealed in this box, and you would enter it into your platform store, and that is going to get you Football Manager 2026 for free. So really easy, saving you a bunch of money. So yeah, you just got to go to Cold Coupons and just find the FM26 game code page on this website here. So just type in Football Manager and it's going to pop up. So hope you enjoyed. If you need any help, let me know. Smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.